In this video, I'm going to walk you through customizing the label and tooltip custom text settings for your multi-list page. To start, hover over the MoreConvert in the WordPress menu and select the multi-list option. And click on the Lists tab. Moving down the page by scrolling, I'll reach the settings related to label and tooltip custom text. From this section, I have the ability to modify all the text elements associated with list pages. Starting with the Lists tab text, I'll change it to my lists, save the changes, go to the list pages, and refresh the page. Now, as you can see, the text for the Lists tab has been updated. Returning to the settings, you can customize the title for instances when there are no lists and the list page is empty. Here, I'll set it as Create New List. Save it, go back to the list page. However, to visualize the changes, I'll need to clear all existing lists. As you can see, this is the text I've chosen for the title. I can also adjust the content text from this section. For example, I'll set it to, "Oops, you don't have any lists." Save the changes, go to the list pages, and refresh the page. As you can see, the content text has been updated. Moving on. Here, you can customize the description text for creating a new list. In this section, I'll enter Create More Collections. To see the changes, I'll need to create a new list. I'll name it Hoodies, provide a description like My Favorite Hoodies. Click on Create List. And finally, add a few products to the list. Returning to the list pages, you can observe that the text in this section has changed. Going back to the settings, I can customize the text for all the buttons on the list pages. Here I change this one to Create New List button. Here, I'll write Change Privacy Type. And I clear the list word from the default text for the remaining buttons. Saving these settings, I'll go to the list pages and refresh the page. As you can see, all of these texts have been successfully updated.